Welcome to B2B Workshops, where hands-on learning experiences come to life. At B2B, we believe in the power of interactive, results-driven workshops designed to foster leadership, collaboration, creativity, and innovation. Our workshops offer dynamic learning environments where participants can engage in real-world challenges, practical scenarios, and interactive exercises. Each workshop is tailored to help you develop practical skills while driving personal and professional growth. Explore our wide range of workshops, including leadership and personal development. Build your leadership skills and grow personally with workshops designed to boost your confidence and effectiveness. Team building and collaboration. Enhance teamwork and communication with exercises focused on collaboration and team dynamics. Innovation and creativity. Unlock your creative potential and learn to drive innovation in any environment. AI skills and technology. Stay ahead of the curve with hands-on workshops that teach AI skills and improve your digital literacy. Each workshop is led by expert facilitators and designed to be engaging, interactive, and practical. You'll be challenged with real-world applications and leave with the skills you need to succeed. With B2B, you can expect hands-on learning. Interactive challenges, real-world applications, practical skill development, expert facilitators. Our workshops are perfect for professionals looking to develop leadership skills, teams seeking to enhance collaboration, innovators fostering creativity, individuals wanting to improve their digital literacy. B2B Workshops, where learning meets growth. Join us at be2bester.net and experience hands-on learning that drives real results. Explore our workshops today.